Hello there. This time round I'm going to eat this bird's eye chili. I don't know why it's called bird's eye, but it's apparently in the range of 50,000 to 100,000 on the Scoville units thing. That's reasonably hot. Anyway, I'm going to give it a go eating, so here goes. Okay, that is quite hot. Oh, oh my mouth. Holy, my mouth is on fire. That's giving me hiccups. Gee. That is hot. Oh, hiccups. Oh, the inside of my mouth is on fire. Oh, oh. Oh, it is burning. Oh. Okay, I think I've done that long enough. Take some milk now. Jeez, that is hot. My eyes are watering. Oh, that's still hot. I got that milk already. But the fire is now out in my mouth. Feeling a lot better. Almost completely recovered. I want to do that again. I think yeah, I quite like that. I'll do it again. But next time with a holler chili. I'll go for like a habanero, which is even holler. Yeah, I think I'll do that next time. Or a Scotch bonnet. Whichever one I can find in the shop really. But yeah, definitely want to do this one again. I enjoyed it. Keep tuned for more videos. I look forward to doing more. I'm actually quite enjoying this. Yeah, I really quite enjoyed this one. Anyway, have a great day everyone and see you on my next video.